Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the essentials, a fast lead that can pressure Noli and a bulky switch to absorb hits. Once done, heal and buff in the hub, then scout Noli's type and likely moves so you know which resistances matter. Make sure to set up a single status move or hazard if available. It shifts momentum in your favor. You'll want XP boosters ready to keep levels even, and confirm your speed order to act first when the battle opens. You press the attack by applying speed control immediately. Use priority moves or setup moves to seize tempo, because acting first prevents Noli from setting up. Next, trade hits using stab where possible and bait predictable switches by threatening resistances. This forces suboptimal plays. Once you force an unfavorable exchange, punish with a strong move, and preserve one switch to pivot into predicted counters. Make sure to track PP and status effects, so you never run out of options mid-fight. You close the fight by identifying the weakest link and committing. Either sweep with your remaining attacker or pivot into a tank to soak a finishing blow. Once done, hit priority moves or boosted attacks on critical turns to prevent Noli from reversing momentum. If things go wrong, don't stall. Switch to a dedicated counter with type advantage and heal or remove status to reset the board. Finally, learn the exact move that caused the loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.